Hi, here is BOGONG laser. Today I will show you parameters for cutoff frequency value. I have one paper, and this paper show you the cutoff frequency for 4 type different 500 watts laser cleaning source. What's the meaning of cutoff frequency? And here you can see the meaning. The laser will have expected output power when working above the cutoff frequency. When working below the cutoff frequency, the power will drop accordingly to maintain the output peak power. You can see from this chart. And this one is the power. This one is the frequency. This one is the cutoff frequency. We will take 505 this laser source, for example. You can see when the pulse width set 30, the cutoff frequency is 765. That means here when set 765, and the big one you can see here is 4,000. That means when you set frequency large than this one and small than this one, you can see the power will no change. But when you set the frequency smaller than this one, for example, you set 500 and you set 500, you can see the power will change lower. That means this machine you purchase is 500, but when you set a smaller frequency, the power will maybe change 400, maybe 300 watts. This is the cutoff frequency. You can see they have others. When you set 45, they have unit set frequency larger than this one, smaller than this one. We will take 3 parameters, this one, and this one, and this one. These 3 group parameters we will make one video to show you the powerful of the laser cleaning, and we will also show you the temperature when set these 3 parameters.
Experiments about operating temperatures 500W 5MJ under the corresponding pulse widths and frequencies. We respectively set the high, medium, and low pulse widths and the corresponding cutoff frequencies for full power output. 3 groups of experiments used the same material to skin 6 times, measuring the temperature during cleaning and the temperature 30 seconds after the laser stop. After testing, it was found that the larger the pulse width, the longer the time a single pulse acts on the material surface, the greater the thermal effect, and the higher the surface temperature of the material caused.